How to set up a free VPN server on Android phone. So if you want to set up a free VPN server on your Android phone, then first you need to just go with your Google or your browser and search for whatsmyip.com, and it will take you to your browser, and here you will have your IP address. So you just need to simply go and copy the IP address from here. Once you copy your IP address, now you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to just scroll down and go with network and internet. Under network and internet, you will have VPN option. Tap on VPN. Once you tap on VPN, you need to go with add VPN, which is on the top right, and then you need to enter the name of the VPN and then go with the type. You can select any type. Now you need to go back to your browser or your Google and search for VPNBook.com, and here you just need simply scroll down and you will find VPN server address. So simply go with open VPN, and here you will have server address. Just go with pptp, and for example, if I'm choosing Canada VPN server, you need to just copy the server which is right here, and you can go with your type, and under your type you need to select pptp, and then you need to paste the server address that you've just copied right here, and then you can go with IPsec identifier, and you can go with the username and password. Your username and password will be right there on the website which you've just visited, the VPN website. On the bottom you will have your username and password, so you just need simply copy and paste that username and password right here, and then go with save. Once you've saved, then you can turn that VPN on, and in this way you'll be able to set up a free VPN server on your Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.